welcome back to my mom's channel. So my mom put this hairstyle in my hair.
The best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young.
And you guys loved it so much you requested a tutorial on this hairstyle. So here it is.
Okay guys, so for this hairstyle we are starting with 3 sections, one to the middle and one to each side. Now for the sections to the side we are going to do some flat twists. Now when I do this hairstyle for Renata, I do the flat twist in almost like a triangular shape, but you can separate it and do it however you so desire. And that's it. Now we do the same thing on the other side. Now let's move to that middle section. Starting in the back, we take that middle section and we part it into 5 separate sections. Now each section is parted so that the flat twist on each side is joined by that section. Now when we are done doing this, we separate that section into 2. One to the bottom and one to the top. And all we do is just roll, tuck and pin. The section to the bottom, we roll it underneath, and the one to the top, we roll it to the top. Now because Renata's hair is not so thick, when I do the 2 tuck and pins, the space in the middle, I use the flat twist on either side to cover it up. And you just repeat the same thing for the entire middle section. Separate in half, roll, tuck, pin, put the flat twist over it and pin into place. Now when we get to that one section to the front, we do not separate it in 2. Instead, we just use the entire section and do a pompadour. And then we do the same thing with the flat twist and pin it into place. And that's it. Our flat twist, roll, tuck and pin, Mohawk updo.
Hope you guys enjoyed and able to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!